I've had these two windows soaking in ammonia, lined with black garbage bags, in an attempt to dissolve the adhesives that's holding the window film on, because I don't want to scrape it. I just want to easily peel it off. Why not scrape it off? Oh, scraping it's way too labor intensive. Well, did it work on that one? This one? No, not really, no. Did you rush it? You rushed it, didn't you? Well, I let it soak for 2 hours. Maybe you need to soak it for longer. Well, this one's been on overnight. Okay, cool, let's try it. So your tints are faded, peeling, bubbling, or hazy. They need to come off, and you've probably looked at several YouTube videos suggesting different ways of maybe heating it up, scraping. Well, I thought we could try out this ammonia method. So if you're going to be using that method, make sure you look after yourself. Put on some goggles, have some gloves and a mask too to protect your lungs. We'll need to spray the ammonia mix onto the window, and then with just some cheap rubbish bags, open them up and lay them on the windows so that the window stays wet with ammonia. Ammonia is irritating to your lungs and skin because it's so alkaline. If you're going to be using this product, please protect your health and wear some protective stuff. There's a link in the description of this video where I've done the research for you, so I've found some affordable protective gear that'll keep you safe. The added benefit is it's all reusable. I'm still going to be wearing a mask because when we spray this stuff it becomes airborne and it irritates your lungs. We're just about ready to take these rubbish bags off. It's been about half an hour. It'll be interesting to see how well this method works. Because that's what I was hoping wouldn't be there. This really didn't work as well as I hoped it would. Using this ammonia, I'm trying to avoid all that scraping, so I thought, well, do it properly, Kent. Spray it, put the bags back on and let it soak. So, now to wait. So that's been 2 hours. Let's hopefully see now if that ammonia has soaked through the window film and broken down the adhesive that's holding it on. Fingers crossed. So it's only taken off the tint, the shaded part, and it's left another layer behind. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh well, what we'll do is we're going to leave this one now. How long should we leave this one for? Leave it for another hour, or should we leave it overnight, or what do you think? So let's peel this one off. Oh, so far so good. Is it lifting the adhesive as well as the window film? You can see there's the tint, there's the second layer of film, and it's coming off. Now that is adhesive. So we're still going to need to scrape that layer there off. But it seems to be coming off quite easily. Okay, let's pull the rest of this off. Well, that really hasn't worked like I hoped it would. I'm still going to have to scrape all the adhesive and the tint off these windows. But do yourself a favour and get a nice wide blade window scraper with a big easy grip handle. It makes life so much easier. If you want to see a good video on window tinting DIY, click just there and I'll see you there.